First, open the Start menu, go to Settings, and navigate to Apps. Then open the Installed Apps section and locate Microsoft Whiteboard. Click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Under the Reset section, if your Microsoft Whiteboard app isn't working correctly, try repairing it first. This will not affect your app data. Press Repair and wait for the process to complete. If the issue persists, reset the app by pressing Reset. Keep in mind that resetting will permanently delete the app data, including preferences and sign-in details. Confirm by pressing Reset again. If Microsoft Whiteboard is still not working, try reinstalling it. This will uninstall the app and its settings, but your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall, confirm by pressing Uninstall again, and wait for the process to complete. Now, open Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft Whiteboard. Click the Get button to download and install it. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft credentials. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.